Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of the Tombow VIP box. I am a member of the Tombow design team this year, so I did receive this a little bit early so that I could share it with you guys. And I will leave all of the information down below about how you can get this particular box. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what is inside. So when you first open it up, there's a sheet on top, and I believe this has all of the products inside, so I'm going to set this aside. So here on the top is a Tombow exclusive. It is a hand-lettered pencil or pen pouch. And I think this is so cute. I love the colors. I love that it's hand-lettered. So I'm excited to have this pouch that will fit the dual brush pens. This pen is not included. It's just to show you how large the pouch is. Alright, so I am super excited about these highlighters. These are a brand new product to Tombow, and we got to test these out at the Design Team Summit in Phoenix, and I loved them then. So let's take a quick little look. The colors are so great, you guys. They are super fun and vibrant colors, and I think you guys will really enjoy them. And these highlighters are really great because there's a broad chisel tip as well as a fine bullet tip, which is amazing. I love that Tombow does dual little tips. It's really fun, and the product's super versatile. So you can see how bright that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the rest of these for you guys. So this top color is called Red, and it's kind of like a bright corally reddish color. The next one is called Yellow Green, and it's pretty traditional yellow green highlighter color. Next is Pink. This one's really pretty. I love this shade of blue. It's called Sky Blue. This yellow is amazing. It's a richer yellow than the typical fluorescent, so I think that's cool, and it's called Golden Yellow. And then last is the purple, which is really fun. You don't see a lot of purple highlighters. At the time of filming this video, these new highlighters are only available in this box. I believe at some point in the future they will be available for purchase on the Tombow site, but I'm not sure when that is. Again, I will leave all of the information and a link to purchase this box down below for you guys. Next is a set of the Tombow calligraphy pens. I love these, and they are so fun to practice lettering on. There's a dual-ended calligraphy brush pen, which is really fun, a soft tip and a hard tip. The hard tip is my favorite, but I have a lot of fun playing with these, and I think you guys will really like them if you're interested in learning how to letter. Next in the box is a mechanical pencil. This one is really interesting because it has a unique graphite forwarding mechanism. So like a traditional mechanical pencil, you can click the end to advance the lead. You can bend it like so, and that will also advance the lead, which is really interesting. If you're writing, you can just click it and keep going. So that's pretty cool, and it comes with a 0.5 mechanical pencil lead. And then last in this box is a set of the Tombow Arajetan colored pencils in a tranquil set. These are really pretty colors. I love the pastels, and you can get some really nice muted coloring out of these. It also comes with a small pencil sharpener and then a mono sand eraser, which is great for ink and colored pencil. I love this eraser. It kind of can remove anything, which I totally dig. To purchase this box, I will leave links down below. It is $30 for the April box, and once they are gone, they are gone. And all of these products have a retail value of $60, so it's a really great value. And of course, I highly recommend the Tombow products. I was using their products way before I was a design team member, and you guys know that I love them. So definitely go check out this box if you're interested in any of the products. I am dying for these Tombow Mono Edge highlighters. I think they're super amazing. I love the colors, and I love that they're dual tip. So if you want these, definitely make sure to get this box. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!